Alright, so here's how you do question number 1A. Now you can do this question in two separate ways. One is through scaling, and the other one is through cross multiplying. I think cross multiplying is the better option, but I'll kind of give you a brief summary on how to scale. So basically find out how many times you have to multiply 22 to get to 23.4. Whatever number you get, you multiply that by 13. So here's how we're going to do it. But we're not going to be using that method. We're going to be using cross multiply. It means you multiply the bottom on the first one to the top, and then the top of the first one to the bottom of the second one, right? So let's do that. So x times 22. We can just write that down for now as x 22, like so. And we can let's do 23.4 times 13. So 23.4 times 13, right? So now we have to multiply 23.4 times 13, and we get the answer of, so x over 22 is equal to 304.2, right? So now all we have to do is simply divide by 22 on both sides. Not 22. Go like that. And then divide on 22 over here as well. And the answer we get is 13.8. So that's going to be our answer. Well, it's actually 13.827 repeating, but we rounded up to the closest one-digit decimal. That becomes 13.8. How do you do 1b? Well, that's very similar to 1a, and we're just going to use the cross multiplying method. So let's begin. That will write down as 4.4 c is equal to 11 times 21.7. So first we have to do is 11 times 21.7 is, and 238.7. So 238.7. Now all we have to do is simply divide 4.4 on either side, cross this out, and divide on 4.4 on the other side as well. Now 238.7 divided by 4.4 is 54.25, but if you round it up to the nearest, well, one digit, that would be 54.3. Now that's how you do 1A and 1B.